Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendia Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel, your favorite Trendia Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, I'm here again with your one and other favorite topic that's about different all bob haircut ideas I'm showing in this video. So I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. Yes, I am here with another beautiful hair topic. These hairstyles are really beautiful, dashing, outstanding, gorgeous, mind blowing according to the fashion and trend as well. All college going girls, young girls, job going girls, office going girls, even 40 plus girls are getting these hairstyles these days and this summer season. So, guys, let me know which hairstyle you got best for yourself. You can take screenshot as well, and don't be late to go to your hairstylist as early as possible. Go to your salon and get this hairstyle because these all hairstyles are really beautiful and according to trend. After getting this hairstyle, you will feel like a model and celebrity. Even though all celebrities and models are also getting these hairstyles these days. So guys, don't skip the video. Watch this video till the end. I'm showing all the short, bob, pixie, stacked, graduate, short hairstyles in this video with different fashion hair color. You can select one of your favorite haircut with your favorite fashion color. This video will make easier your plan to select a beautiful haircut and beautiful hair color among them, and let me know also which hair color and hairstyle you select for yourself. I hope you guys like my effort. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section also, and also you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they all can know about the latest fashion that I share to my video daily, because I share all the new and according to the fashion video to my channel. I make video on the fashion daily. After subscribing and link to my channel, you will up to date to the fashion and trend as well. It will be easy and easier for you to select fashionable and according to update fashion and trend and getting hairstyle and hair color as well. You can also share your ideas with me through comment section. I will like to make video on your ideas. It will be my first priority. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the video. Your support keep me energetic and give me energy to make video for you guys daily and with new fashion and also new trend. Well, these all short haircuts according to the fashion like pixie bob, short hair bob, gadget bob, strap bob are really gorgeous, and let me know which is your favorite for yourself because everyone know herself better than others. So you can select best for yourself from this video and let me know also. It will be my pleasure. So guys, I will be there in next video with your and other favorite topic. Till then, take yourself and don't forget to share, like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to remember me in your prayers also. God bless you all. So guys, take care yourselves and have a great hair day.